How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the channel. Let me adjust this just a tad bit. There. What we have here today is a 12-piece DeWalt black oxide, black and gold, tough impact ready bits. Model DWAH1182. You can see the model number there. Black Friday Black Friday deal is regularly $20. They'll probably go back to $14.99 if worst case scenario, but I got them for $9.99. Link will be in the description. So I'm gonna open these up, just get a quick overview. Test. Oh, that's gonna have to wait. Okay. I hate this. I truly hate these kind of that should be, yeah, that does right there. And oh well, I scraped it a little bit. Who cares? Yeah, a little cut. All right, I'm back. There's my max fit set. And this should fit comfortably. Yep. Should fit fine. Part of the same series. So it fits perfectly fine. I can easily take a little bit of sandpaper and fix this, but yeah. So they fit perfectly fine. Pretty sharp, yeah. So it goes this way. Or it can go this way, whatever way you prefer. And locks into place. There you go. Tough case. And this says tough case in the back as well. Yeah, in black. That's all it is. That concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe, comment, share. Catch you on the next one. Remember, a link will be in the description for this product. This one's not available anymore. Alright, later.